This is an '06 Honda Accord, and it came in crank no start, and the little green key light up in the top left was remaining flashing when cranking. And the interesting thing is, this looks like, focus, looks like a pretty new key, so I was questioning that. Turns out this little ring, which is either aluminum or stainless, it's metal, non-magnetic, it was around the ignition switch right here, right there. And when I would put my little coil up here, that when the electromagnetic field is produced by the exciter, and turn the key, this did not light, which I thought might be because this is sitting at an angle, it's not really up around it. But when that was removed, then when I turn the ignition to on, that light, it blinks, and the car starts up. So yeah, just wanted to share that.